Perfect.
Ahoy, and welcome back to Tim Sena Travels. Today you join Ryan, Isaiah, myself, and our dogs, Bear and Koga, as we explore Fort Stevens Beach on the Oregon coast. We've come here today to search for razor clams. This is the first foraging type video on my channel, so I hope you enjoy it. It was really fun making this video, so I hope to make a lot more of these.
I wonder if that's oyster poop. Clam poop. Don't you think it's weird that there's mostly just the one species we're looking for here? Or maybe that's why we're here. It is actually. I googled where to find razor clams. Turns out pretty much everywhere on the Oregon coast. The dogs are ruining it. Yeah. It's beer time. Beer 30. What a beautiful day. I love the ocean. I brought a headlamp. Oh yeah. Well, I don't know, man, because of the drift line coming from it. Try them out. You just got to make sure the waves aren't going to crash over it. This is a risky mission. Isaiah's trying to race the waves. He's deep enough. Think he'll find something? Nothing. No. Yeah. If it's there, it's too deep. Oh, look at that beautiful purple hole right there. Oh, that's definitely. Let me get it. I don't want you to get too tired.
Go ahead.
No, never in the same hole. You gotta hurry though, they'll dig deep. This is our first razor clam dug up by Ryan. Woo! Good job, buddy.
Got him, boys.
And Isaiah thinks he's got another one here. So I've got a little razor clam bag. We're gonna put him in.
Oh.
Dude!
Yes!
Oh, we're on it out here, guys. But he looks alive still. Yeah, he's still moving. Isaiah just found the second. Guys, we're gonna hit our 14-day count. We're having fucking clam chowder, boys. Bro, can we break that law and get That's awesome, man. Right here. You call a successful day, ladies and gentlemen. We're catching these massive, beautiful razor clams. They're huge. This thing has to weigh like, I don't know, a quarter of a pound almost. It feels like it's very heavy, very weighty. And so you can see Isaiah's working on what he thinks is a hole. You gotta go much deeper than we thought. You gotta go much deeper. So it's actually more than the length of the actual digging tool.
It's gotta be like that.
So if there were one, I think he would have had it by now.
Yeah.
So it's just interesting. It's like it's a trial and error, but mostly these guys are hitting every time.
You only want to do 14?
That's the legal limit.
Break the law, dude.
No, I don't want to break the law. I think that it's just a good excuse to come back again. It's a successful harvest, you know? So the homie Igita is fucking on one. Actually, I think you've gotten at least 2 or 3 of these suckers so far. Yeah, tomorrow's also a low tide. What? You want to go again?
That's fine.
And then we could get 28 total, dude. Ryan, are we addicted to climbing?
It's fun as shit.
Yes! There you go.
Yeah, I think it's broken up.
That's okay. If you crack him and you're gonna eat him in the same day, it doesn't really matter. He's fine. As long as
A little cracked right
a
there.
little cracked, but big, beautiful specimen. Each of these is very, very heavy, so I'm going and rinsing them off. These guys are nice enough to do the digging for me, and I'm the license holder, so I'm allowed to harvest up to 14. These crumble too much, man.
It's a perfect one, though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this one off.
It'll crumble. They always look so nice, but it's impossible to save them. The dogs are absolutely loving it.
Here, I'll put this one near the other.
He's digging.
Oh, he is.
Put him in my clam sack after rinsing him.
Oh yeah. Let me see. Yeah, he's trying to dig back. Sorry, buddy. You're gonna go in some chowder.
He squirted on me.
I think it's still recording.
It squirted juice on me. Got the clam bag. All huge guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 5 right now, guys. We can collect 14 total. Yeah, those boots are hella nice to be on the beach, man. We gotta make sure we're not going over the limit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe we're at 8. I don't think we're not on that.
It's all good. Can't wear them all.
Gotta do more research. We're novices here, so we don't know any of the rules exactly, other than you have a 14-day limit, and then I know that there's a limit on certain species. So we've gotten 8 razor clams in the span of maybe 20 minutes, I think. So this is actually very easy. I recommend anyone come and try this. Big, beautiful.
Little smash on the
A
shell.
little smashed up this guy, but he's still alive. It's still moving. The magic touch so far in not cracking the shells. He's actually got some pretty beautiful, juicy ones where he didn't break them. Oh, tide sometimes sneaks back up on you. Look at it. Oh my goodness, dude. Looks pretty gross if you think about it.
Yeah.
Oh, water's coming in here, buddy.
Here. Add them to the collection.
In the pot. What are we at now? 9 or 10?
Yeah, we're making such good time, dude.
Oh my god, dude. So we haven't had much luck in getting them out clean. A lot of them are getting smashed up by the post hole digger. I'm not sure if there's a way around that. Maybe we should be using PVC instead.
Do they sell wider diggers?
I think they do sell. There's laws though. There's laws about how wide your post holes allowed to be.
Oh, really?
I don't know why. This isn't all fun and games.
Maybe just let him live.
He's earned his survival.
Yeah, he earned his week. Oh no!
Not today, Clam.
Look at his mud.
That if you're gonna go razor clamming, you need to actually look at the Oregon Department of Forestry website and find out if they're edible or not at the moment, because the ranger came and just took all our clams away. And he basically told us that the clams are full of acid that is poisonous, and it will kill you or make you very sick if you eat enough of it. So we're grateful that he let us off with a warning, because these guys don't have licenses, and apparently you can't even touch the shovel on the beach if you don't have a license. So good to know. We learned a bit, and maybe we'll get to eat these suckers next time we're out here. So the day of razor clamming was actually very fun, and we caught a lot of clams that were full of poison, apparently. So not exactly a success, but still a success in a lot of ways. I had fun. I don't know about you guys.
No, that was super awesome. Thanks for bringing us out anyway.
Yeah, we learned a bit. All of us learned how to find big clams.
It's like I was telling Isaiah, this got me enthusiastic about foraging even more.
And the ranger was nice enough to give us a tip on how to not break the shells. You have to angle the digger toward the ocean, apparently. Little facts that you learn. This girl's actually enjoying the water for a change. Yeah, this little sandbar area is perfect for climbing right here. This is gonna be our honey hole.
Look at this big old hole right here.
Oh!
Look at this huge hole right here.
Isaiah's still tempted.
Look at that. That's a huge hole, bro. We're gonna get a big clam right here.
We gotta find the less deep part.
Let's just get that one big clam and eat it and just spit it out. Just seeing how it's like.
He said these clams are about double the safe limit of cetazolic acid or some shit like that. Oh, he said 5 times?
Normally it's over 20 is unsafe, and these are over 100.
Jesus shit. Yeah, so these are massively poisonous clams that we're digging up. Que sera, sera. Oh no! He just stepped in the deepest part of the pool. I love the patterns on the sand. It's so trippy. Bruh. We're in a bit of a dog paradise. Bucko doesn't want to listen. It's been a great day of climbing with the boys. The dogs are having a blast.
I like how quickly everything progressed.
Yeah, this was a fun, short day. I can see the microscopic gemstones. Bear keeps munching random shit all over the beach, and it seems frankly quite dangerous. The dogs are loving it. So this is what we failed to pay attention to before we actually came out here. Would have been good if you go to a place.
Harvest any razor. If you look at the notification person.
Definitely do some research. Don't just go fucking eat some clams. You might die apparently.
This is don't even use for bait.
As always, thank you for watching Tim Sena Travels, and I hope you'll continue to join us on our next adventures in Oregon. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe.